everyone, Olive here, your pretty and Martin astrologer and tarot reader, and we're back for another reading video. And for today, let's do a reading para sa Sagittarius. So, if you have the Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising, and even Saturn placements in Sagittarius, this video might be for you. This is for your tarot reading, career, and love guidance. But before anything else, I would like to say my thank you sa lahat ng bagong followers, subscribers ng aking social media accounts. And yeah, for those naman who are asking for a free reading, meron po ako niyan sa aking TikTok accounts. You can also message me there. Kayo po ang magme-message, hindi ako. If you want a reading with me privately. So yeah, let's do a tarot reading guidance para sa love and career ng Sagittarius. I'm hearing the word naiipit. Pwedeng ikaw ay naiipit sa isang sitwasyon, tao, or desisyon. Your first card, Seven of Pentacles. You're on a period of waiting or maybe saving. Three of Cups, a celebration. Meron ka ba parating na celebration? And by the way, this is for the month of July, 1st to 2nd week for your love and career, Sagittarius, ng month of July. Take what resonates and bigay sa iba yung hindi. For your third card, thank you for being here. We have Seven of Wands. Dalawang 7. So, pwedeng may nakikita kang repeating numbers na 7s. You're also trying to defend your peace here after makipag-reconnect sa isang people from the past, sa isang friends, group of people, or maybe ikaw ay naipit sa third party. Romantically speaking, you're trying to protect yourself here. Hindi ka masyadong nagpapakita ng emotions. Mas nagiging calculated ka or maring maging calculated ka sa iyong next decision for the 1st to 2nd week ng July. For some of you, you're craving sweets. Page of Pentacles. Plan. There's a lot of plans na nang mangyayari or nangyayari na. Six of Wands. Recognition, celebration. Be aware and mag-iingat when it comes to jealous people, jealous friends, maybe ex-partners na pwedeng maging source of distraction mo sa iyong momentum here. Another cards for Sagittarius. Nine of Swords. For some of you here, you're looking for a mentor or someone who can help you master some things or learn new things. For others naman, there's also an upcoming energy here na pwedeng dahil sa sobrang guarded mo, you're not speaking your truth. You're pretending na you're under control, you're calculated, pero binabaha ka ng overthinking mo. Maring bahain ka ng overthinking mo, ng emotions mo. suggestions lang. Pwedeng mag-apply ito sa iba, pwedeng hindi. Learn how to be vocal sa iyong nararamdaman politely and honestly. Kasi dyan mo mas nailalabas yung emotions mo eh. For some of you here, there's a guilt akong nakikita pa. Maaaring makaramdam ka ng guilt habang may ina-achieve kang bagay here. Recognition, pwedeng feeling mo hindi mo naibigay ang best mo sa pagkuha mo sa isang reward na to from the universe. What else for career and love, Sagittarius? For some of you here, you're stuck sa isang tao. Pwedeng hindi na kayo nag-uusap pero madami kang gusto sabihin sa kanya. And you're trying to parang nini-negotiate mo yung nararamdaman mo instead of magpakatotoo. I'm hearing here. So, pwedeng maging dahilan yun ng pagiging distant and cold. For some of you here, you might receive a call sa isang tao na mahalaga sa'yo emotionally. I can see there's 10 of Wands. A struggle. Pwedeng magkaroon ka ng struggle when it comes to your relationship mo sa family mo, Sagittarius. Kasi, ayun nga, hindi mo sinishare yung nararamdaman mo, hindi ka nagiging honest sa emotions sa nararamdaman mo. Pero masyado ka nang nabibigatan. You're just pretending that you're carrying it well. Well, that's really good of you. Kasi hindi ka nagpapadala agad sa impulse mo. Pero learn how to breathe while trying to balance everything. Maging honest ka lang. Ace of Cups. See, there's an emotions here talaga. Maaring sa katagalan ng pag-handle mo nito, magkaroon ng outburst sa iyong emotions. Or there's a new love coming in. There's a person here from a distance na pwedeng biglaang magparamdam sa'yo ng affection, ng emotions, ng admiration. Pero you are someone na very guarded, very, alam mo yung strategic. Ayun. For others of you here, I'm hearing the word commencement. Maring you're expecting a graduation at makukuha mo yun. There is magpipay off lahat ng pagod mo, lahat ng paghihintay mo. And we got King of Wands. So ayun, magkakaroon ka ng victory here. Yung throat ko biglang nagkaklag. So ibig sabihin nun, may paparating na communication, maaring someone na mature sa'yo, emotionally wise, or age din, and pwedeng magkalayo kayo nito at magkausap kayo, magkaroon kayo ng clarity tungkol sa nararamdaman mo sa kanya, nararamdaman niya sa'yo. And ayun nga, for some of you here, mas pinapairal mo ang pride mo, or maring pairalin mo ang pride mo kaysa makinig ka dito. You're trying to be logical, but ayun nga, maring magkaroon ka ng matrap ka emotionally. So ayun, ang nakikita ko sa'yo overall, Sagittarius, there's a victory here, but you don't have to feel guilty. Deserve mo yan. So if you're also asking for a sign if matatapos mo ba yung bagay na yan, yes, there is a yes, positive yes here. And just be honest when it comes to your emotions this 1st to 2nd week of July para magkaroon ka ng kaliwanagan and makahinga ka ng maluwag. So this is your reading, Sagittarius. I hope maging helpful, and thank you.